Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various adsorption kinetic models and showed how to fit these models using both Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain Bhattacharya and Venkobachar adsorption kinetic model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Bhattacharya and Venkobachar kinetic model is a simplified first-order reversible kinetic model. It is based on solution concentration and is useful in the study of adsorption mechanism and determining characteristic constant of sorption. Well, this BV model can be written as log 1 minus ut equal to minus kb divided by 2.303t, where ut equal to c naught minus ct divided by c naught minus ce. Kb is a constant, C naught is the initial concentration, and Ct and C are the concentration at time t and equilibrium. The value of Kb is calculated from the slope of the line obtained from the plot of log 1 minus ut versus t. In my next video, I will show you how to fit this equation using Origin Pro and Microsoft Excel. So this is the reference for the viewers. Viewers can visit this reference for more informations. Thanks for watching. Please visit Aminulchem Innovation, and if you actually like this video, please do not forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.